Good morning, dear student. This is the grammar class. Today we are going to take one second revision of that topic. Okay, that means it related with totally tense. Today we are going to learn or revise one question related with tense. The first question is here, dear students. Look here. Read the following sentences. First, read the following sentence carefully and write which kind of tense they belong to. Okay, first read the tense or sentence carefully. First sentence is here, I am leaving for the office. First read the carefully. I am leaving for the office. In this example, if you observe that yes plus am is plus VING plus O. Okay, so that this sentence indicate present continuous tense, and you can easily write present continuous tense. Okay, I am leaving for the office. It indicate the tense. Which tense? It belong to present continuous tense. Now the second sentence, I have completed these chapters. If you observe, subject plus have plus V3, completed V3, and then object. According to this sentence, we can easily say that its sentence belong to present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Okay. Yes plus have oblique has according to subjects. Okay, we take here has oblique have plus V3 plus object. It indicates present perfect tense. Now the third sentence, my little brother left his lunch behind and ran away. My little brother left. Look here, subject plus yes to subject plus verb second part or verb second form left. LEF second form plus object. Okay, plus complement also. My little brother left his lunch behind. Then we can easily say that this sentence belong to simple past tense. Simple past tense. According to structure, yes plus V2 plus O, it belong to simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. Now the fourth one, she looks very tired. Okay, in this example, if you observe yes plus V1, yes plus V1 plus object like this. Okay, we can say that its sentence belong to simple present tense. Simple present tense. Look here, yes plus es. We attach in only simple present tense only when the subject is third person singular. Present tense. Present tense. Okay. Now the fifth sentence. Okay. He will go to Pune tomorrow. If you observe this sentence, look here. Subject plus will oblique shall. We can use here according to subject. Will plus V1. Okay. That indicate its sentence belong to simple future tense. Simple future tense. Simple future tense. Okay. Then next, they had been cleaning their house. If you observe this sentence, yes plus had oblique yes plus had plus been plus VING plus O. It shows that it belongs to past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous. We can say that progressive also. Continuous tense. Okay. Then next, Rajesh will be cooking food. This sentence belongs to future continuous tense. According to this sentence meaning, will plus be plus verb ing form. Okay, it indicates future continuous tense. Continuous tense. Okay, now the next one. They will have sent their fruits in the market. According to this sentence, will subject plus will oblique shall plus have plus verb third form. It indicates that it belongs to future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Okay, subject plus will oblique shall plus have plus V3 plus O, that indicate future perfect tense. Now the last one, Priya has been playing with her doll. If you observe here, Priya plus has oblique have, you can take here has oblique have plus been plus V ing, that sentence indicates, okay, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, yes plus has plus been plus verb ing, that indicate present perfect continuous tense. In this way, we can study this question, identify the tense and write they belong to which tense. Okay. In this way, we can take here revision. The remaining part of this revision we will take in next video. Thank you.